Hi. So it is 1:48 my time and today is January 28th, 2012. Yes, morning time. And I have a person on the phone who says that they do not snore. Like we actually got into an argument about this about a week back, and I hear snoring. Like, this is snoring. So I made this video just for Catherine so she knows that she snores. Okay, well, that's all I want to prove. And I'm gonna be up for a while doing this work, so it's weird that I'm using Catherine snoring as my aid, as in, helping me do my work. But hey, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So, like my mommy says, be safe and sleep well and all that good stuff. So, yeah, all right, goodbye now. Yeah.